Our skin protects us from various external hazards and is composed of 3 layers. The epidermis serves as a first protective barrier. The dermis is composed of the extracellular matrix, rich in elastin and collagen, particularly type 1 collagen, the most mature type, providing strength and flexibility. It also contains dermal white adipose tissue, which is fundamental for supporting normal skin function. Below lies the hypodermis, composed of loose connective tissues, white adipocytes, and stem cells essential to skin regeneration. As we reach the age of 20, these components slowly degrade. Collagen decreases by 1% annually, and elastin progressively alters. Adipocytes decrease in number and become hypertrophic, reducing their structural support and secreting pro-inflammatory factors, while fat pads begin to atrophy and bone density declines. Intrinsic aging occurs naturally and is accelerated by extrinsic aging caused by external factors such as sunlight exposure, pollution, and lifestyle choices. This results in a weakened skin structure, diminished firmness, loss of elasticity and natural volume, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Introducing Sculptra, an injectable regenerative biostimulator containing PLLA-SCA, which are unique microparticles of poly-L-lactic acid surrounded by a carboxymethyl cellulose CMC envelope. When injected, these microparticles trigger cell signaling across the 3 skin layers. Within 2 days, leukocyte exudation occurs. Macrophages are recruited and surround the CMC envelope, encouraging its dissolution before fusing into giant cells. The PLLA-SCA particles are exposed, and macrophages shift into the regenerative M2 phenotype crucial for tissue regeneration. The M2 macrophages release regenerative cytokines, reactivating senescent fibroblasts, promoting fibroblast migration and proliferation. Fibroblasts produce new collagen, mainly type 1, and elastin, remodeling the extracellular matrix in the dermis. Proteoglycan and laminin expression increases, while some matrix metalloproteinases decrease. Integrins are upregulated, enhancing signaling between the epidermis and hypodermis. Adipocyte progenitors transform into mature adipocytes, restoring skin's thickness. This regenerative effect across all 3 skin layers restores skin firmness, natural volume, and overall skin quality. Sculptra is the first proven regenerative biostimulator for rejuvenated, youthful-looking skin for over 2 years.